Hey guys, my name is Sanji and I'm going to be teaching you guys all about arrays. Arrays is a name used to describe a list of data. For example, if I have a grocery list with 3 items, bananas, apples, and milk, I can put those items into an array like so. You can use brackets to show each array, and each item is separated by a comma. In arrays, we use index to describe the position of an item in an array. However, in computer science, we always start counting with 0, not 1. This means that the first item has an index of 0. The second item has an index of 1, and the third item has an index of 2. In an array, if you want to identify an item in an array, you have to put the array's name and then in brackets the index that you want. This will get you to the item. I want you guys to think through each of these in your head as I go through them. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to think. So this represents the index. So in the array at index 0, the item is red. The second one, in the array, the item at index 3 is, we can go 0, 1, 2, 3. This means that the item at index 3 is purple. Lastly, if we look at index 4, we can continue our numbering, and the fifth item at index 4 is yellow. So now let's try this with Trinket in Python. In Python, we can start by initializing the array by setting the name of the array equal to the array in brackets. We can add items in the array, and I am going to add the items bananas, apples, and milk. Since all the items are strings, I need to put each item in quotes. I need to separate each item with commas, but I need to make sure that the commas are outside of the quotes. After I do that, I'm going to print the array so I can see if I did it correctly. When I print it, you can see that it shows up on the side what my array is. So now let's try and print the first item. I want the word bananas to show up where it shows the array right now. To do this, I am going to use index. Here's what you need to do. Right here near the print, you need to use brackets, as I mentioned in the first part, to show which index. If you guys remember, in computer science, we start with counting at 0, not 1. So if I want the first item in the array, I have to use the index 0, not 1. So when I run my code, it now shows bananas. That is all you need to know about arrays. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned all about arrays.